Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel after a very long time. So today in this video I am going to solve some previous year Cbse 10th class application of trigonometry questions. So now we are going to start a complete video series. Here we will discuss chapter wise previous year questions, and second video series in the second video series we will solve the complete previous year questions. Means like in 2020 we will solve the complete question paper in a single video, then 2019 and so on. So in one video series you will be getting the chapter wise previous year questions, and in one video series you will be getting the previous year complete question paper. Okay, so let's start today with this two question I am having with me. So this is the question of year 2020. So let's start it. So come to the question. Here a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope. So here the length of the rope is given. So while you will be doing the here we will be not solving only the questions, we will be discussing how to write in your examinations. Okay, so first of all just you can underline the important key point in the questions with the help of the pencil. So here the length of the rope that is given 20 meter, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. So there is a vertical pole also, and the rope is tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole. Means we have to here drive the height of the pole. Means what is the height of the pole here in the question? If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree, and the angle is here given 30 degree that the rope is making with the ground level, and the figure is also given in the question. So look, listen one thing very carefully. Either the figure is given in the question itself, or you have to construct the figure. Okay, in both the scenario you have to draw a neat and clean figure or the diagram in your answer sheet. Okay, whether it is given or not given, but you have to draw here. So how to start the question? First of all we will write all the given thing. So to start any question, the very important first step is to write all the given thing. So here means you will be thinking in this question what we will be writing, that this what are the given or not. So let's whatever you are getting from the question itself, just write in the given section. So first of all, in from this question what I am getting, that we are having a triangle ABC. In this triangle what we are having, angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. It is mentioned here. Okay, and we are having the length of AC, that is 20 meter. Means this is what length of rope. And the next thing is given that angle ACB is equals to 30 degree. This is the angle between the rope and the ground level. So these are the given thing, and the next thing what we have to find out here. So you can write to find length of pole, and here in this figure pole is represented by the side AB of the triangle. So you can write like this here. Or the next thing we will start our the solution here. So solution is just of two line here. So it is not a very big lengthy question here. So as you can see in the figure, we have assumed the height with h. So first of all, in the application of the trigonometry, so what we have to do here, we have to apply the trigonometry's ratio. So first of all you have to know means what are the trigonometry ratio in respect to the right angle triangle. So there is a one very simple trick, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. So the first numbers or the alphabets you are getting here, that represent sine theta. Second whatever you are getting, that here that represent cos theta, and the third one represent tan theta here. So sin theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equals to sin theta, base upon hypotenuse is cos theta, and perpendicular upon base is tan theta. So I think all of you are doing revision this time, so you must know these basic things. Then also I am just repeating, revising these basic concept. Okay, so these are the three trigonometry ratio which we have to use here. So just observe here, for an example, if I write here sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So how many variable we are using here? First of all, that is, the first thing is theta, that is angle. The second thing is perpendicular, and the last and the third one is hypotenuse. So we are using three element of the triangle, one angle and the two side of the triangle. So in these three, if we will be given any two, we can find out the third one. So in respect of any question, how we will going to use these things? So like here in every trigonometry ratio, there will be two sides. There are always two sides. So we will be use one that side which is given in the question, and one that which we have to find out. Basically, one side which is given or one which we have to find out, and the third thing is that is angle. Or what we can do, both the sides are given, we will use the angle which we have to find out. So in this scenario, so we have to find out the height, means AB, that we need to find out, and the length AC is given here. So means we are having one side given and one we have to find out, and the third thing, that is angle is also given. So as we all know, the side opposite to the angle, we call it as perpendicular, and the side opposite to right angle, that is hypotenuse. So here we have to use perpendicular and hypotenuse, so that is used in the case of sin theta. So here we will apply sin theta. So just write, in triangle ABC, sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Put the value of theta, that is 30, is equals to perpendicular, that is we have considered as hypotenuse is given 20. So this implies sin theta is how much? 1 by 2 is equals to h by 20. From here we will be getting h is equals to 10. So this is the height of the pole, and the AC is given meter. So the height of the pole will be in meter, that is 10 meter. This is the correct answer of this question. So I hope you all understand this. So we are just starting with the basic thing. We are not in the rush to solve the question only. We will be discussing how to write in the exam to score the full mark. So now move to the next question here. So this question is from already came in the year 2014 and 2017, and this is also a very good question. So here it given a TV tower stand vertically on a bank of the canal. So this AB here representing the TV tower from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. So from the point directly opposite to the tower, maybe this is C here in this figure. The angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. So yes, we are right. This is the point on the opposite bank of the river. So here we can understand, if this yellow color is representing the canal here, so the B is the point on the right side of the canal, and the C is the point on the left bank of the canal here. And from this point, the angle of the elevation, this is given here, of the top of the tower is 60 degree from a point 20 meter away. So this is already clearly mentioned here. On the point 20 meter away from this point, on the same bank, on that same left side bank, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. So these are the given thing. Next, what we have to find, two parts are there. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So there are the two part of this question. So let's start it. So as usual in all the question, if possible we will be writing the given thing. So here the figure is already given, then also we will be constructed this figure in the answer sheet and start with the given. So what we are having here, you can write like DC, or DC is equals to what? The distance between two points on other bank of canal. This is given how much? 20 meter. And the angle of the elevation, or you can write the name directly like angle ADP is given 30 degree and angle ACB is equals to 60 degree. Okay, so if we have to construct the figure, so these things we will be not writing in the given thing, because we are writing the constructing the figure, drawing the figure, so those things will not come in the given part. We can write in the like proof or to find means our solution part. So these are the given thing. Next, to find, what we have to find out here, the first part is find the height of the tower. Height of the tower is represented in the figure by AB, and the width of the canal. And width of the canal is represent the yellow color, that is BC. These things we have to find out. So after writing these things, we will start our solution. So now come to the solution part. So you can see in such question always you will be observing two right angle triangle. So like in right angle triangle I am writing here ABC and another right angle triangle, that is ABD. So we will compare these two right angle triangle only and we will be getting our answer. So what we will compare, that the height of the tower like AB is common in both the triangle. So we will use such trigonometry ratio here, so that we can utilize AB for the both the triangle. So what if I write here like AB in the first triangle, AB upon BC. So here we are going to use angle 60 here. This is the theta. So side opposite to theta, that is perpendicular. So it means AC will be the hypotenuse and BC will be the base here. So AB is perpendicular, BC is base. So the perpendicular upon base, that is tan theta, means tan 60 here. Okay, so we don't know both the values here. We even don't know what is perpendicular and what is the base here in this given triangle. No problem, we will get a relation here. So if you wish, you can take the perpendicular is equals to h, means the height, or base you can take as x. So h upon x is equals to tan 60 is root 3. This thing will give us one relation between the height and the width of the canal. Okay, so we got a relation. Now move to the second right angle triangle, that is triangle ABD. Here the same thing we will do here. Perpendicular, that is we have considered as h, and the base in this triangle you can observe here. The base of the triangle is complete BD. Okay, so here base will be what? 20 plus x is equals to tan theta, and theta in this case is 30, tan 30, and that will be equals to 1 by root 3 here. So now you can replace h, you can use this value here in this question. So in place of h, if I write root 3x upon 20 plus x is equals to 1 by root 3. Now by cross multiply, what we will be getting? Root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So it will be 3x is equals to 20 plus x. Now simplified by transposing x in the left hand side, it will be 2x is equals to 20, x is equals to 10, and use this value of x here. So what we will get, h is equals to 10 root 3. So these are the answer. This is the height of the tower and this x is the width of the canal. So in this way you have to simplify such question. Don't be so panic, just write the given thing and observe what you have to find out, and then start writing the given thing and just keep doing it whatever we can do it. Here you can observe there are other two right angle triangles, so we are just applying the trigonometry ratio. To apply a trigonometry ratio, only one thumb rule is there. Just use that side which you have to find out and use that side what is given. Okay, nothing else you have to do in it. So signing off. I hope all of you understand these two questions. So very soon we will be regularly posting new video from the previous year questions and the most expected question for this year also. So thanks for watching till here.